basura sa
Good morning, everyone. May we all please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by an invocation.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
For those who are not Catholic, bow your head, and for those Catholic, let us make the sign of the cross. As we gather today, let us speak with clarity and listen with an open mind. May our conversation be productive, our disagreements be respectful, and our decisions be guided by the common goal of moving forward together. Let's make the most of our time and each other's talent. May we have the patience to hear every voice and the wisdom to choose the best path. Let us stay focused on our purpose and leave this meeting feeling accomplished and energized. Amen. Please be seated.
This regular session of the Sangguniang Bayan of the Municipality of Talakag, Bukidnon, is hereby called to order at exactly 9 a.m. on April 5, 2026.
I shall now call the names of the members. Larilyn Sayagnao, Kathleen Pilinio, Rafi Digal, Rose Hamelo, and Rachel Albaracin. With all 5 members present, a quorum is confirmed.
First order of business is the approval of the minutes from the previous session.
No correction, Mr. Vice Mayor.
Hearing none, the minutes are approved. We now proceed to the presentation of a proposed ordinance concerning municipal waste management.
Mr. Vice Mayor, I move that we consider Ordinance Number 004-2026, an ordinance establishing the Talakag Integrated Solid Waste Management Program and creating the Talakag Municipal Waste Management Council.
I second the motion, Mr. Vice Mayor. Effective waste management is critical to protect our environment and the health of residents in all 29 barangays.
The motion is duly seconded. The proponent may now present the ordinance.
The ordinances focuses on first, waste segregation and collection across all household and establishment. Second, composting programs supporting agricultural communities. Third, recycling initiatives to reduce plastic and residual waste. Fourth, environmental education programs to promote responsible waste practices. It also establishes the Talakag Municipal Waste Management Council to coordinate implementation and ensure community participation.
My concern is ensuring participation from remote barangays. How can we guarantee that the waste segregation practices are followed there?
The ordinance assigned barangay officials and environmental officers to monitor compliance and conduct education campaigns within their communities.
I propose an amendment requiring every barangay to establish a material recovery facility within 1 year of the ordinance's implementation.
I second the amendment.
Hearing no objections, the amendment is adopted. We shall now proceed to voting on ordinance number 004-2026 as amended. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed? The ordinance is hereby approved by majority vote.
Mr. Vice Mayor, as a sectoral representative, I support this ordinance because proper waste management will greatly benefit our communities. I suggest that the municipality also strengthen information campaigns so residents clearly understand how to segregate and manage their waste.
With no further business to discuss, the session is hereby adjourned at 9:55 a.m. Thank you to all members for your dedication to protecting the environment of Talakag. You all dismissed.